Okay, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I had a class before, so I am joining now the class. That's okay. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good. And you know it, I am a new teacher to you. Did I take class for you? I don't think so.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So you might have seen me in the school. Okay. So
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
Dixon DeCruz. Online session I will be taking the class. Maybe when the school reopens, may other teachers can come. So till that I will be your science teacher. Yeah. Okay. So I think more students need to join. I think you are now okay with online classes because yesterday, today, and you have online classes. So, two instructions to you. While you are in the online classes, mute your audios first. You should mute your audios. Why? I can hear nicely what is happening in the house. Suppose your mother is angry with you or your brother is making noise, disturbing with you. Everything I can hear. Okay, that's why we are telling you to mute your audio. If you don't mute, that disturbance will come. We won't be able to take the class. Clear? Second instruction means I want everyone's video should be on. That means I want to see your face. It's just like your class. It's just like your class. I can see you everyone like a small slide. How you are seeing me, same I can see all your friends, everyone. And also all of you should sit straight. You should sit in a proper way. Whether if you are on the terrace, you should have a table or chair, whatever it is. Because you need to write some things. You are last year you are 5th standard. Okay, now you are grown up. Some became tall, some became fat. Now 2.5 months you are at home, so you are now grown up. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
teachers also will be changing for you, so you have to get accustomed to the whatever is happening. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think there are more students to join. Okay. So I think I can see so many Mohammed Sinan, Roland Francis, and children. When I am calling you to ask some questions, you should unmute your audio and you should give me the answer. If you don't know the answer, also you should say, "Ma'am, I don't know." No problem. If you say I don't know, no problem. No, I don't know, no problem. But I should get an answer because we can't wait for a long time in online class. Okay. Am I audible to you? Am I
Yes,
audible to
ma'am.
you?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
good. Okay. Now everyone just mute your audio. If you don't know, just call your father or whoever is there to mute your audio. Otherwise, your sound I can hear. Okay, students, we are moving on to the class. Very simple class only. Whatever you learned in 4th standard, also you learned same thing, only we are repeating again and again. It's not something new thing you are going to see. I'm asking Roland Francis. Rolsam Francis, what did you eat today for your lunch? What did you eat for your lunch today?
Chicken and rice. Chicken
Chicken, only chicken.
and rice.
Rice, very good. So, you ate rice and chicken, very good. Stina,
Yes, ma'am.
what
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
eat today? What did you eat today?
Beetroot and rice.
Very good. She has it written vegetable. So we have got small students are here. One had a non-veg food, another has a vegetarian food. Okay. Who is this Azer 17? Can you name it? Azer 17? That is not your name, no. It's your mobile's name. So I wanted your name. Azer17. What's your name? Because we have to take the attendance. Azer17, what is your name? What's your name? Is it Afridi? Or who is? Just name. Just say your name. He's gone. Okay. Azer17, what's your name? Don't give me answer. Okay. Okay. So, I asked Tina, I asked Rose, what did they eat? Okay. I'm now going to Muhammad Afridi. Why do we eat food, Muhammad? Why do we eat food?
Rice, right, and beetroot.
Okay. Why do you want to eat? Why do you want to eat food? Why are you eating? Why are you eating the food? What's the use of having food? Afridi, why are you eating the food? Why you want to eat the food? Without eating the food, can you live?
No.
No. So what's the need of it? We need to gain energy. We need to gain energy. Okay? Energy, you have to grow, your muscles become strong. Okay. Your muscles become strong. Then you can jump, you can run, you can play, you can do the skating, anything if you eat the food. So the food should have so many components in it. Food should have so many components. Hello? I don't want you to pass the comments just like in the classroom. I can hear whatever you are passing the comments. Okay? And you should not speak Malayalam also. While you are in the online class, speak in English.
Yes.
Okay? So if you don't mute your audio, I can hear you whatever is happening there. Okay? So don't do that. Okay, children? Okay. So, now I'm coming back to the question here. Sandra, I want a Sandra here. Sandra, how do we prepare the rice? Sandra, how do we prepare the rice? What we do first? From where you get the rice first? From where you get the rice first? Tell. Sandra, are you listening?
Yes.
Girls are keep quiet. Huh?
Yes.
Sandra, give me the answer.
Yes.
Yeah. From where are you getting the rice?
Shop.
From the shop. Before the shop, where is rice? Where we cultivate rice. Correct? From where? We make rice first, then only we sell it in the shop. Tell me. Is it rice is coming from any animals?
No.
From where are you getting the rice? So simple question it is. Don't know? Okay, Balashankar. Balashankar, can you tell me? From where are you getting the rice? Is it from animals? Is it from human beings? Then from where? You are not answering. Joseph, can you give me the answer? Hey, if I am going on talking, it's so boring. Huh? You should give me answer, then only I can continue the class. Huh? This is not like only teacher is talking. When teacher talk, it's so boring. Then we can record in the TV, no. You don't want to talk, we can just see as a video. Hello?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, we get rice from plants.
Yes, very good. Who said that?
Ma'am, Aldous.
Oh, very good, Altos. So, we get it from Plants. Okay. Plants are the source of rice. Now, once you get the rice, what did your mother do? Mother do it. Is it without just get the rice, put it in the water or cook? How she does? What she does? First she will wash. Correct? She'll
Yes,
wash
ma'am.
nicely.
Yes.
Yeah. Then she mix with water and then boil. Some people like to put the salt in the food while we prepare. So whenever you get any food component like rice, wheat, if you want to make a chapati, you put the atta there, you put the salt there, you put the water. If you want to cook noodles, your mummy may cut some vegetables and nicely bagar, or I mean to say it's a salted and then put it there. So all this water, salt, chili powder, everything is known as ingredients. Okay. So we are not only talking about food, we are also not learning about the ingredients. Okay, ingredients means whatever things you do. So I said Rose has eaten chicken. In chicken, mother must have put garam masala, she must have put onion, she must have put chili powder, so many things she must have put there. She must have put coriander leaves, all this. Clear? So this is what we call ingredients. So let us now go to a slide. It's a homework for you. I hope everyone has a note with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I will show you something in a slide, and it's your duty to draw that table. Have you seen this table, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to call Fidel Babu. Fidel Babu. Babu, can you read the first sentence what I written? What is that? Name of the chapter?
Chapter 1. Food.
Where?
Where does it come from?
Very good. Then below that,
Table 1.1. What do we eat?
very good. And below that, what I have shown there?
Name of the student, friend,
Then next column.
food items eaten in a day.
Very good. So this is your homework for you today. Correct? So
Yes.
I want you to draw it in roughly this table. First you write the word, what do we eat? First, 1 minute, I just rub it off, okay? Okay. First, I want everyone to write the chapter name. All of you write in your paper the chapter name.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 1, food. Where does it come from? Write everyone fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next, and I want to write, don't write table 1.1. I want to write below that. Question number 1. What do we eat? You have seen I have circled with green. Write that. What do we eat? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then below that, I want you to draw this table. So this table has 1, 2, 3. You need to draw 2 more table, 2 more columns and rows like this. Okay, you extend that. I'm just giving a sample here. And suppose in first you will write your name. It's a homework. Suppose your name is Anil. Write Anil. Then what did you eat today? So you can write I ate rice, vegetable, put comma like that. Okay. Clear? So all of you just draw like that, please. Like this. You have to extend the table. I want 5 names. You can write your name first, then your mother, father, grandmother. If you don't want your grandmother or grandfather or your mother, you can call a friend. Just write. Just imagine your friend and write the name of your friend and write. What are the food he must have eaten? You can write idli or chapati or chicken or mutton or whatever required. So this should be written in your ruled sheets. Okay. So every day I will be giving you like this one homework and you need to complete it. Okay, student? Have you all completed doing that? Children, now you can write it in a rough book if you want. Then, when during evening, after all the classes over, you can write neatly, slowly, take your ruled sheets, write the page number, write the chapter, and you can draw it again neatly. Now you just roughly write with your pen or thing. Don't use the scale and all. That you can use it while you copy the answer into a ruled sheets. Now don't use the very good sheets, write it in the rough book. Okay? Have you all completed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I change the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now understood. What do you mean
Yes.
by what you supposed to write? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going to next point. So this is just like an example what we eat the food and ingredients. So next thing I am going to show you. Anyone is chatting? No. One minute. Can you see this? Can you see this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aldous, can you read what I have written there?
What do you mean by the term ingredient?
Ingredients.
The materials which need to prepare food are called ingredients.
Very good. All of you can copy down that sentence. Instead of this E, the answer is A. It's a mistake from the net. Okay, there's a spelling mistake in the net. What do you mean by the term? Ingredient spelling is A. Okay, INGRADIENTS. Here it is written correctly. Okay, so please copy that question now. Next, what do you mean by the term ingredients? Because that's what I asked you. Rice cooked with water.
Ma'am, is that second question?
Yeah, second question. Second question. You can put the question number 2. You write roughly, you can rewrite later. Okay. Because here we cannot give you more time, no? You just write it down. Materials which need to prepare food are called ingredients. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we are moving on to the board here, table here. Okay. Food items and their ingredients. Food items and their ingredients. So next table you can draw roughly. This is second homework for you. Second homework for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Food item. First column, what is that? Food item. Second column, ingredients. So make a column. Here we have given, I have given some example. Okay. Roti or chapati, atta, water. Dal, pulses, water, salt. Now here you can write some vegetable curry, some vegetable kurma, something that you add by yourself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted add 2 more columns just like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you write something which you like. You can write it down. No problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask your mother, ask your father, or you write yourself. Any dish which you like favorite, write there. Suppose you like biryani, write the biryani. And what's the ingredients you use in that? Rice you use, vegetable you use. Suppose chicken biryani, you put the chicken. So all that you write is like just like this. Put comma and write all that. Clear? Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So today I am only giving you this much. So next session we may not able to complete. Okay. So what is the time for your class? 1 second. You just copy down. Have you copied all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now these are very simple. It's nothing so difficult for you.
Yes,
So we have
ma'am.
still time. One more session I can take for you. 10 more minutes are there. So I take. So I am, next I am moving on to the next session. I'm going to show you. So next, can you see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Don't-
ma'am.
Yeah. So here now you already learned food item ingredients. The next table, what we are showing here, plants. So I wanted Ajol Roshni. Are you there, Ajol Roshni? Ajol Roshni. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the first table? What is written there? Food item, what is that? Idli. Okay. Yes. Come closer and read. Okay. Next what? Ingredients. What is written over there? Ingredients.
Rice,
Yes.
urad dal,
Urud dal. That is what you call in Malayalam urunnu. Urud dal. Then what? What else?
salt,
Salt. Very good. Next what? Water. Good, good. And from where we get all this rice, urud dal, salt, water? From the plant. Okay. So ingredients and the sources. Ingredients and the sources. You have already learned what you ingredient in previous slide. Now from where these ingredients are coming, that is what written here. Third column is source. From where we are getting rice, urud dal, salt, water, everything from plant. Okay. Next. Can you anyone Devanarayanan? Are you there? Devanarayan. Okay, I go to Adi. Adi Ishwar. Adi Ishwar. Okay. Read the second column. What is given there? Some of his favorite auditors. I want to see Adi. I think father or someone is behind you. Adi, come. Adi, come in the video, please. Adi, are you saying it? I can't hear you. Read that. Second column. I want second column. Second column. Read. Adi not reading.
Devanarayanan.
Read. I am not able to hear you. Can I give chance to others? Okay, Seba Mariam. Can you read the second column over there? Yeah. Second column. Second column. What is written? If you are not able to see, let me know. Okay, I read it because I don't know why you all are not reading. Second column, I have written chicken curry. That's very fond of, everyone is fond of it. Chicken,
Yes.
spices.
Yes, ma'am.
So ingredients are chicken,
Chicken,
spices,
spices, oil,
Spices.
or ghee.
ghee, and water. And from where we get the chicken curry to make all these ingredients, from where we get it?
Animal
And
is from animal. Oil is from plants. And
very good.
is from
Very
animal.
good. Very good. It's correct. Chicken curry, we have two sources, plants and animals. So can you go to the third one? Kheer. Kheer.
Here.
Tea.
Ingredients.
Milk, rice, sugar.
Yeah. From where we getting? From where we getting?
Cow. Milk is
Ah.
from animal. And rice is from plants.
Okay. Milk, rice, sugar, and other restes we are getting from animal and as well as plant. So many we can. If you suppose you take a vegetable kurma, you will get it. Okay, you will get it. Okay, can you tell me I will give you another one food item. What do you like? Anyone tell me any food item you like? Anyone? Whichever food item you like, you just tell me.
Biryani.
Biryani. Which biryani? What type of biryani? Vegetable biryani or chicken biryani or mutton biryani? You like?
Chicken biryani.
Okay, chicken biryani already we have seen the ingredients. I want some other dish. Other dish.
Ma'am, mango lassi.
Huh?
Mango lassi.
Mango lassi. Okay. Can you tell me the ingredients of mango lassi there?
Mango.
Uh,
Mango yogurt.
yogurt.
That much.
Huh? Sugar you don't put?
Yeah, mango, yogurt, and sugar.
Okay. Now tell me the sources. Which are the sources of this mango lassi?
Mango is from plants.
Yes.
Yogurt is from animals.
Yes.
And sugar is also from plants.
Very good. Very good. Sugar is from plants. Okay. Sugar cane. Ah, Aldous. You are very smart enough. Okay. Very good. Okay. Apart from Aldous, I want some other one. Alfaran Latif. You are shaking too much. Can you unmute your audio? Give me another dish. Alfran Latif, give me another dish name. Tell me the ingredients and as well as the sauce. Tell me.
Fish.
Huh?
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Okay. Tell me the ingredients. Very good.
Fish.
Okay.
Spices.
Spices. Very good.
Oil.
Oil. Very good. And what? You don't put water in fish curry or simply you will have it?
Water.
Okay. Where are the sources? What are the sources of fish curry? Fish belong to where? Huh? Just like an animal. Okay, fish is a creature.
Animal.
Yeah, animal. It's a living organism. And spices from where? Spices from where?
Different plants.
Okay, different plants. Very good. I hope all of you understood today. We have had a very simple session for you. So your first chapter is that. We are talking about food. Now next thing, we will next class we will be learning about the different parts of leaf and what are the leaf is doing. Leaves parts has something to do with our food and the source. Okay. Everyone would like to have to eat leafy vegetable. Doctors will say to get a better eye vision. You should have lot of vegetables, leafy vegetable like a cabbage. Then we have other things, chira. What is your chira? Then what drumstick leaves. All are very good. So the leaves has all type of plants. Every part of the plant can be eaten, something or other. You can eat the seed, you can eat, then you can be eaten the sprouts. Okay, so that kind of things will be that we will discuss in the next class. Now we don't have time. So next class we are going to learn which are the edible parts of the plants and what are the things you eat. Edible parts means root, stem, leaves. Okay. So today I want you to complete these two homework. So next class I will be asking you whether you have done the homework. Okay, children, you are very vibrant children. I am very happy. It's my first class. I am very happy to hear from your answers. Here, so
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only give answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Girls from girl side a little bit silent. So next time
Thank
girls
you, ma'am.
be prepared to give me the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.